pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Fry. He is frying a fish for dinner. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between 2 plates. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop. I need to chop the tomatoes for the dish. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Sauté. Sauté the onion for 2 minutes. Boil. The water is boiling. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven.